Hi everybody, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna guide you on how can you deposit cash at Citizens Bank ATM. To deposit cash at Citizens Bank ATM, what you need is first thing first, you must have a card. So before you actually begin with, make sure that you know the detailed information of your card as well, such as PIN, your name, phone number, verification, and all that stuff. Now, you have to place your Citizens Bank debit card into the ATM and enter your secure PIN. So that is usually your 4-digit PIN. That's not going to be on the back of your card, and you can just, it's something that you'll only be able to know. You just have to type in that and select from the menu deposit options, and you have to select the specific account, whether you want to save it or deposit it to your checkings account, savings, or whatever that you have, and where you want to cash or to go. Now, you just want to make sure to prepare and insert the cash. Now, most modern Citizens Bank ATM are envelope free. Now, organize your bill into a single neat stacks. You can typically deposit up to 15 note per transactions and place the stacks into an illuminated deposit slot when prompted. The machine will count the cash and display the total. Then you can just review the amount carefully and select confirm if it is correct. Then you have to choose to receive a payment or electronic receipt as proof of the transactions. And this is how you're supposed to deposit cash at a Citizens Bank ATM. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.